Viva market update. Very quick market update. We're gonna take a look, see what's going on. Why is the crypto market going down? As you know, last video I even said the fear of recession. Since I kind of feel like recession is already in, because there's countries declare bankruptcy. European countries are suffering a lot. African countries actually they in between, they in between. All right, so we're just going to take a look quick here at the chart, and then we're going to take a look at few news, see what's going on. Right here, I'm just increase that. I have um I have take the liberty, guys, just to set it up this way so you guys know. For the past a couple weeks, I've been showing you guys the W since when he formed, you know, when he formed, and when I told you guys that he kind of gonna hit a resistance and then just pull back. It actually happened. It's happening right now. So there's something that is forming. It's forming a bear flag. I'm gonna show you guys in a couple minutes. All right, so we kind of got caught up right here when he was making a V, and then we predicted that he's gonna hit that right here. Hold on, let's do it this way. Yeah, it's gonna hit this measure resistance right here, 22,000, which actually passed. But he actually hit the measure resistance. Now we predicted here heads and shoulders, right? The W, I like to call it, and kind of pull back. We have here take profit number 2, and P reversal is where you take your second. You can take your first profit right here when you hit 21,500, and then if you were to make another, take it right here at the second, you will do pretty good. And then you can just reverse this strategy, and kind of make money all the way down. So I predicted that he's gonna hit the minor support too. If the recession gets bad, we might go through it. The major support is go way down than the 17 here, retested the 17. As it standing right now, so we have touch and passed the minor support one, which was 20,407. But we getting some bulls coming in and pushing the price up. So I'm liking this. All right. So let's just to see it. Let's go to 2 hours time frame so you can see way better the bread flag that I caught it 2 days a day ago. The day ago, I was actually playing it out. Before first I got a bull flag right here. I'm gonna show you guys right over here. This forming, you can call a flat top, or you can call it now flat top. No, yeah, I'll say a bull flag. It's actually forming a bull flag right here. It never happened. It was canceled right over here. He fell, it broke down, and now it's actually forming right here it's still forming a bull flag right here at the bottom, right? It's still forming a bull flag. I'm sorry, kind of got mixed up on that. So kind of form a bull flag right here. So, but the one thing that's happening right now, it kind of broke down. It broke down yesterday. Yesterday kind of broke down. Yeah, it kind of broke down right here. And then we had this pullback, got rejected again. and then pull back. We're making lower lows, so this is so right now we actually on a pullback. Let's see if he gets rejected right here. So we're gonna get really close to the 18,000, probably today or tomorrow, or we probably just get to 19,400, and then just come down to 18,000, and just give us another pullback to 19,000. So you could get like a quick trade, you know. As soon as he hit 18,000, you can just long Bitcoin to 19,000. So you get some good profit. Or if if this is a bear flag, maybe it comes up and then come back up and go and then do a pullback to gain to the entry point right here that I believe 20,900 is a good point to enter. So you could enter early since it kind of broke down. You could enter right here at the minor support, which is 2039, and then start taking profit earlier because we are on a bear market, guys. All right, that's pretty much it. There's not much here. So as you know, we're forming a bull flag. A bull flag. I'm sorry, it's not a bear flag. It's a bull flag. Um, normally when a bull flag is expected, it goes, and it goes down, and then what you expect is that it just breaks up, right? There's a breakout right to the upside. That's not what's happening right now. We got but this might be a fake out, might be a fake out. We might get back up and come and retest it again to 22,000. And hopefully we go into 25,000, they just pull back again. All right, guys, this is it for BTC today. Let's go and see the news, what's going on in the news. If you just type a crypto news, this is what you get, guys. Crypto price today live, Bitcoin breaches 20,000, Ethereum, Tether fall. More than 62,000 crypto traders liquidated as Bitcoin and Ethereum take a tumble. More than 62,000 got liquidated, guys. That's a lot. From 10 billion to zero. How a crypto hedge fund collapsed and dragged many investors down with it. Crypto crash and news 7 to 12. Polygon Matic rises. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, ADA, XRP, Dodge, DOC, AVAX fall up to 6%. Okay, they could even scream anymore. They were just solving a mature investor ruined by the crypto crash. Crypto is a completely fraud, says the world best known short seller. You could join the 1% or profitable invest in the bear market. All eyes on the US CPI inflation numbers. Will crypto rise again? Top 5 news. Bitcoin dips, seller dumps, either a security or will cause. Has Bitcoin prices fall? Is cryptocurrency still worth buying? See what I mean? There's all negativities on the latest couple hours. All we get in the media is negativity. So, crypto fear index is plumbing back down again. And and the one thing is, guys, we haven't, a lot of people are saying we hit the bottom. I don't believe we hit the bottom yet, because if the recession comes in, and who knows how long we can sustain the recession, or it just collapse the whole market. So just it's not, if you're a trader, just be careful, man. It's not being a trader in the bear market is it's pretty good for you to test if you're a strong trader, for you to learn and get stronger. At the same time, you gotta know how to trade because you're gonna get wiped out if you don't know what you're doing. All right, so another news is Glass. No, we got here. The Bitcoin market has many hallmarks on the dip, cap- capitulation, and in the late stage bear market play. Both long-term holders and miners are now under extreme financial stress. However, it is enough to form a resilient bottom. Question. Read more. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so in simple words, what they say is that the market's been down for a while, and you know, being a Bitcoin miners is not cheap, and in certain countries it's not cheap because is expensive. And I know for those miners in Europe, in America, price of energy, electricity is going up. So there's a lot of pressure for these miners to sell their Bitcoin they have stored to sell it when the market comes up. So I don't think the selling has stopped yet. I think we're going to see a lot of people selling. Still, a lot of people selling, and a lot of people still going to buy it. So, both it says here both the long-term holders and miners are under extreme financial stress. Exactly. Even those that are holding Bitcoin for a long time, as soon as Bitcoin keeps just dumping, they might be thinking, if I want to liquidate a little bit, want to take some profit now, it's not the best time to take profit. But you know, depending on your financial situation, you might want to take some profit. You might want to liquidate some of your Bitcoin, right? But as soon as you do that, you are lost. Depending what price you bought, right? If you bought under 20,000, you're still in profit. All right, so total ETH deposit in a 2.0 contract has now surpassed 13 million ETH, which is 11% circulating supply, leading the account for 4.137 million ETH, commanding over 31.8% in total stake. By comparison, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance combined account for 3.105 million ETH, 27% of the total, which is pretty good for ETH. You know, that later on it will count for the price to actually go up. And but at the same time, I think the contract is going to expire at the end of the year. If the market's still down, a lot of people might be selling, guys. A lot of people might be selling some of that ETH. So uh, might see some ETH price going down if that happens, right? Over the last 2 years, the dominance of Tether, which is the stable coin, has been on a micro decline. Yeah, for Tether's been since the 2021. Tether has been in a lot of scrutiny from the government, from people in the market, on the crypto market as well, because we find out that the collateral they have for the curse they have within the market is not 100% 101. Because stablecoin has to be pegged to $101, right? If you have 20 million, you need to have 20 million in the account, right? What they doing that diversify. They saying they have 45 billion circulating in the crypto market, but in reality, on the other side, they only have 10 billion in dollars, and the rest they have CDCs, bonds, treasury, and so on. You might want to quote me on that because I'm not too sure the numbers, right? So, and then we got here the proportion of the number of Bitcoin supply loss has hit 48.1%. So, guys, look at that 48.1% supply in lost. And lost, I'm saying lost and lose. All coins held outside the exchange. So, which means 48.1. It's not really losing coins. It's just people have taken 48% of those coins are outside of the exchange. On this BTC in loss, Almost 60% of them are held by long-term holders. 28.6% of total. Those metrics are at a similar level to the November-December 2018 and March 2028 capitulation phases. So, which is pretty interesting because at this time, 2018, and then we got this bear market that went all the way to 2019. And then 2020, we got a quick bump, quick rallies, couple rallies that we got in 2020. And then 2021, that's when we got in that beautiful bull market that we got. Bitcoin has held its worst month price performance since 2011, trading down 37.9% in June. Like last on-chain activity indicates a near complete purge of fair weather investor has taken place, leaving only hodlers to hold the line. Wow. It's been hard for the hodlers, man. All right, so I got here something so we can see. Want you guys to know, why is USDT losing value or losing market, not value, losing market for the USDC. I always, if you know me, I always prefer using USDC. The reasons that they actually now mention here is that USDC, they keep track what they audited, what the government audited, but the USDT, they have a lot of problem with that. So, that's why when I do have a pair that I want to trade that is in USDC, I prefer using USDC. Though USDC has the largest market capitalization among all the stablecoin, USDC has its advantages and differences from its peer. Now let's just look up right here. Okay, USDC coin is a stable coin launched in 2018 by Center, which is concerted and created by the Circle and Coinbase. USDC is an open source protocol, which means one can use it now. Circles either partners. USDC along with Tether, blah, 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 80% of the market. That's not actually what I read before that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me just go here. Let's cash. Okay, here. USDC is basically tokenized version of US dollar, USD. It is fully redeemable, meaning you can trade it for the same amount of cash you deposit to create your account. USDC provide customers with a fast and cost-effective way to transfer value quickly anywhere in the world, unlike some stablecoin linked to the price of a single asset or a basket of asset. USDC value is tied directly to US dollar. USDC reserves are held in segregated accounts in the United States with regulated US financial institution in the form of cash and short duration US Treasury. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's another article here: USDC versus USDT versus USDC. Which stable coin should you use? There's something here. What's that? One second, guys. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. This was actually I wanted to share with you guys right here. Yeah, USDC versus USDC. I think this is it summons the whole article here. While USDC is used more frequently from trading and payments, USDC is often described as a safer stablecoin since Center makes a greater effort to comply with auditors and governmental regulation and has more transparent and fully backed reserved. See what I mean? That's what I meant before. Way before when I did my own research, that's what I found. And USDC was a lot smaller. And now people, since the whole Luna and this whole DeFi thing that actually came down, so people start doing their own research and find out that actually better US stable coins, the ones that actually follow the rules. So they so so we'll this is it, guys. This I wanted to share with you guys um, what's going on in terms of stable coins. So cool. What else? What? This is it. This is it. This is all the news for today. I hope you guys get something out of it, and let's keep it pumping, guys. We are in the bear market. DCA is the best thing you can do, and research and study, become a master of your investment is the best thing you can do right now. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Then don't forget to share, like, and I'll see you soon.